In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert PDF file in Word. So once you're inside Word and you would like to add a PDF file in here, all you want to do is go up here to the Insert tab and then look for Object, okay? It's usually here on the right, and you want to press this. And then in here, you want to go to Create from File, so the second tab up here from the left. And then where it says File Name, you want to leave this blank and click on Browse. Now you want to find your PDF that you want to insert. So for me, it's under my downloads, so it's a test PDF file. You want to press it, press Insert, and there we go. It's been inserted, and now you can select whether you want to link the file or display as icon, okay? And I suggest you do display as icon so it actually shows and gets inserted inside your Word document. So you want to press display as icon. You can also change the icon. As you can see, this is kind of the default one, okay? But you can choose which one you like more. And you can also rename it, of course, if you'd like to. I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. Then you can press OK. And then once you press OK yet again, as you can see, your PDF file has been inserted. Now when you click on it once, you can also resize it if you'd like to, and if you click on it twice, it will open up the PDF document. As you can see, it says, do you want to open this file? And then it says that it's a PDF. You simply press open and your file will open up.